In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your laptop or PC in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the fastest way to do this is to do a search and head over to settings. And then from here, you got on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Go ahead and click onto System and then scroll down, and we need to look for Recovery. Go ahead and click onto Recovery, and then where it says Recovery Options, it says Reset this PC. Then under that, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So if I go ahead and click on Reset PC, we're going to have two different options to choose from. So the first one is Keep My Files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Remove Everything, removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So yeah, choose which one you want to go with. I'm just going to cancel out of this because I don't want to reset my PC. This is just for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to go back into reset my PC. I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to click on remove everything. So I'll just say getting things ready. This won't take long. And then it'll say, how would you like to reinstall Windows? We've got cloud download, reinstall Windows, or local. So you can choose which one from here. If you're not sure, click on help me choose. And then yeah, just go through the process to reset your PC.